Hey guys, techmadeezy. Stay tuned because not only am I going to show you how to install this Chute Upgrade Kit for the chute drift, but if you stay tuned and you watch this video, I'm going to show you something else that you're going to want to know and want to see. So stay around, this won't be long. Hey guys, techmadeezy, and I got my Chute Upgrade Kit. Yeah. For the chute issue, the SNT2400 service kit came in a small box like this. Okay, so basically it's a pretty simple kit. Comes with some instructions. Comes with this little bracket that is like the magical bracket. And it solves all the problems. So it comes with this bracket. All right. It also comes with an Allen key because you're going to need to take the top part off. I'll show you that in a minute. So here's your Allen key and here's your magical bracket. Now, I'm not going to look at instructions because I think I'm pretty good with this. Actually, to tell you the truth, let me just take a peek for a second, just as a reminder. It is pretty simple, guys, so I'm not going to really go over instructions with you. Before I did this video, I decided, let me take a look. But, yep, I just want to make sure the wide end is where it needs to be. So, guys, let's go ahead and crack this open. And, again, make sure you stay tuned because I don't just have this video. I've got a little surprise, especially for my subscribers. So let me put the box aside here. All right. And so what you do, guys, is you basically need to open this up. So I'm going to come around this way to give you a better view. Just go ahead and use your Allen key here. Open this up. Okay. Take out this cover. As soon as you take off this Allen key, this cover will come up, and we'll just put this down here for a minute, okay? Now, all right, my Allen key, I don't need that for now. All right, so what you're going to see here is a mechanism, and the chute basically is controlled by this mechanism here. You see that? So it's got these grooves and teeth, as well as over here. All right, so it's some grooves and some teeth. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take this piece, and what has to happen, just so you'll know, is this small piece. You see this groove you have here? Okay? The smaller piece will go near that groove as an alignment thing. Now, I know it's a little dark, but let me see if I can do the side view for a second. All right? All right, guys, giving you another view here, okay? So first off, just know that these two areas here, this is the small part and this is the thick part. So these two actually need to snap in on the small part. And these guys here actually grab on to the wheels. You see these wheels down here to kind of create that friction that's needed in order to make the chute not turn to the right. So let me try this. It is a little tricky, guys. I'm going to put this in on one side, like they show in the diagram. And while I'm doing that, I am at the same time trying to get this over on this side too. Now, bear with me, because it looks like I got one in, but I'm having problem with the center piece, which if I'm having problems, other people will have problems. Okay? All right. Well, guys, I just got it on. That's what it's going to look like now. So this is the back of the machine. This is the front where the chute is, okay? So keep that in mind. Now let's try the chute. And now the interesting part is the chute is definitely tighter, guys. I am telling you, and it is staying in position. Check that out. So the chute isn't moving. It's moving a drop, but it's not moving unless the handle is moving it. Okay, so what's happened, and get ready for my surprise, what's happened is, if you could see, if I could show you that view there, this additional piece now is kind of becoming like a clicker. You see that? So it's grabbing on here, but it's being a clicker for here, and the same thing on the other side. The other side's a little darker, but same thing, okay? So guys, first of all, now all I need to do is put on my cover, okay, put my screw and my permanent fix. And now I can, by the way, I can remove my loop-de-loop. If you remember on my first video, without the kit, if you don't have a kit yet, you need to do a loop-de-loop. I'll put a link in the video up here so you can see the video on how to do the loop-de-loop. Guys, I just want to show you I removed my loop-de-loop, okay? You know, so the loop-de-loop is removed, and I just want to show you now how the chute works. It definitely is tighter, big time, and you can hear the clicking like I showed you earlier, okay? And so that's really going to help with keeping this chute locked into place so it's not drifting, all right? So thank you to Ego for fixing that for us. All right, guys, so hey, if you're still watching, and I hope you watched the full video, give us a thumbs up, first of all. You know, that really helps the channel. I will always ask for a thumbs up. Obviously, make a comment. You know, if the videos help you, comment for sure. But what I'm going to do now is the first 100 people that go on my Instagram and subscribe to my Instagram and post a comment, all right, on my latest video. All right, so all you need to do, the first 100 people, I am going to pull one new user from that list, okay? One new user. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to award that user a brand new Ego 2.5 amp hour battery, a BA 1400, okay? I'm also going to give the second place winner a techmadeezy cup, a beautiful cup, all about techmadeezy, okay? Now, I will tell you, I am going to stop on January 15th. I'm going to record a video announcing the winner, but I'm going to be doing it live. I'm going to actually take the 100 names, I'm going to put them into a bucket, and I am going to pull out the first winner for the Ego battery, all right, the Ego BA 1400, and the second winner for the beautiful techmadeezy cup. All right, guys? Hey, listen, if you're new to the channel, take a moment and hit subscribe, okay? Click the techmadeezy logo. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified of new videos. I will also put some other videos on the screen here that you can check out. But guys, give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Have a great night.